welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sherita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sherita. Welcome. So in today's video, we have a haul. We are collaborating with Temu and I am so excited to share with you what I got. Temu is an online marketplace where you can find a lot of bargains and you can save a bunch of money. I was very impressed by their amazing coupons, their ads, their sales, and their savings with up to 90% off. Be sure you download the app, use the code. I'll put it on the screen and I'll put it in the description so you can take advantage of that $100 coupon bundle as well. So let's go ahead and get started with what I got. I did take notes. I wrote my notes down on some little sticky notes, so I'll be sure to make sure I let you know what I got, how much I paid for it, and how I plan to use it. So let's go ahead and get started with this haul. So all of these items I'm going to share with you are from Temu. I'm going on vacation, so I do have some items that I will be having for my vacation, for my trip. I'm going to Aruba on a girls trip, so I got some cute outfits I'm going to share with you all. So back in February, we went to Dominican Republic and we celebrated some birthdays, and all of the ladies except me and maybe one other lady had purchased some items from Temu. And every time I saw them, I was like, oh, where do you get that? That's cute. Temu, honey. Where do you get that from? Temu. So a lot of the ladies had already been familiar with Temu. I've seen them around, but I had never purchased from them. And also I went to the nail shop and I was sitting beside a lady. She was talking. She said, have you ever ordered anything from Temu? I said, no. She said, girl, I love Temu. So, hey, I'm in love with Temu now. Let me show y'all what I got. I've already started opening some of the items up. And this right here, some of the items are going to be for our home, for outdoors, and of course for my trip. So the first thing I want to share is this 7-piece airtight food container set. I'll put a picture on the screen so you can see it. And it came with 7 different sizes and the lids, and it also came with some labels and a marker. So we'll be able to write on the container with the labels what we have. And I'm going to be moving into my pantry. We've already started organizing in the pantry and kitchen. Now I'm just going to level it up a little bit more. And this kit here was only $10.99. But yeah, we're going to wash these up and add our product to it. So I'll probably use it for flour, sugar, brown sugar, things like that, those things that we want to keep airtight. This is the 7-piece set, and here is, and you just press it down and you lock it like so. So not only can you use it for storage, but you can also use it for traveling. So if my husband packaged up a lunch, I could definitely use the smaller ones for that. So yes. Also snacks, candy snacks, and things like that. So this is what you want to fit right between the dryer and maybe the wall. You know, that little gap of space that we could utilize with something. So that's what this is. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together really quickly off camera. So here it is put together. It has the pull-out drawers, and you can just pull it all the way out, or you can just leave it in and halfway pull it out. But absolutely love it. It's going to fit on that wall right between the dryer and the wall. So really slim, nice. We are going to keep things like our towels, dryer sheets, cleaning products, things like that. So perfect for that. And with that being said, towels, I picked up this 20-piece dish towel set. Now you can get a 5-piece for $2.19. This one was $5.87. I expect to go over your house, all my friends' house, and see these. This is a really great bargain. $2.19 for a 5-pack, or you can get the 20-pack multicolors for $5.87. And I'm just going to stick it right there for now. Now I also picked up this smiley face holder. I'll put a picture right here on the screen of it also. It was $3.99. and it has a little suction cup on the back so you can stick it in your sink. And here is a product that I use. We're going to be able to stick this in the sink and not have to hide it underneath the sink. So yeah, with a little suction cup. So I'll stick that right there. So this is the under counter light. It comes with the USB power and of course the little stickers to stick it underneath your cabinet. And what's really neat about it is that these little stickers have a metal piece on the other side. So you're gonna stick this under your cabinet, and then it has a little magnet that will hold that. So you can't go wrong with it, with just sticking it under there. Even if you don't put it all the way on, as long as you got it in this little vicinity, you should be fine, because that is where the piece of magnet is on each side, inside of the item. So let's see, let's turn it on, and I have it on. Has the little motion detector there, so you can keep it on and then you charge it right here on that end. So this was very inexpensive, only $3.99. I only got one. I'm going to put it over in the bar area. Picked up this little ground lamp. It was $4.29. It is solar activated. And this is what it goes directly in the ground. So it has the little stakes included. And it was only $4.29. I am going to order some more of these. Real easy to put together. And once you do that, it charges from of course, the sun. And you just stick it in the ground. So these would be really neat. You can even stick these in the grass along the walkway. So if you don't want a light sticking up, you know how we have those outdoor lights that stick up, these will lay flat. So very sturdy, has the stainless steel metal plate, and it has a little on and off switch. When it gets dark outside, it'll come on. So we'll stick that outside. I need a few more of those because I do like those. So that is a great pathway light, especially for those of us who don't like the light sticking up. And I've seen people who put the ones that stick up along their pathways. I would prefer to go with these. I also picked up these 4-pack solar fence lights. These were $11.30. And these will be screwed to our wood fence, and they are solar operated also, and there's a little solar on top. So the light is going to put out a little cast underneath. So this is the 4-pack, and it was only $11.30. This USB surge protector, it was only $10.99, and it has 8 outlet plugs, and then it has 3 USBs, and then it also has a I think they call it a C port. So it also has a little C port right there, and that's for the new iPhone chargers. This will come in handy. I also like the plug. It's not as heavy and deep. It's more like a flat plug. So that's why I chose this, because you know how we have the plug that sticks out this way. This one lays flat, and then the plug goes down from the flat part. So we don't have that little hump in the back, so we can get our furniture a little closer to the wall when we use these types of plugs. So this was only $10.99. I did get my husband something. I got him this 46-piece set, tool set, and it was only $16.91. And it comes with everything he needs. He has one, but I left it outside and it rusted. So this is a great replacement for $17. Well, $16.91. And I also picked up a portable fan. They call it an air cooler, but you know, we call it a fan. So it was only $8.89. And you can also make it a humidifier. It has 7-color LED, and it has a 1, 2, and 3 hour timer. And then it has a little place where you can stick air freshener, and right here, you just open that up and stick it in there. I'll show you a close-up picture of that. Oh, I let it drop. So you put it in here, and then when the air is blowing, of course, you're gonna get a whiff of some good smelling air freshener or perfume, whatever you're gonna put in it. So, you know, those home essential oils, things like that. And then you can add water to it to make it more of a humidifier. So it has the little USB plug outlet right there. You can make it even more portable by using a portable battery charger, the kind we use for our phones. I do have a link for everything that I'm sharing. These are some of the things we need in our life. And for such a great price, you definitely want to take advantage of everything I'm sharing today. So I also, as I mentioned, that we're going on a trip, and I picked up this little refillable perfume sprayer. So you stick this on your perfume and it will load it into here. So yeah, you just pump it and it'll load into here, and you'll have your own personal travel perfume. Instead of taking like your larger bottles, of course we need these. So if you want to smell good and take your good fragrances, you can now put it in this little perfume refill bottle. And it was only 69 cents. 69 cents. So I was talking to my girlfriend. I said, honey, I'm going to be ready for our trip next year. She went to, it was actually her birthday that we celebrated when we went in February. Mine was in February too, and it was during the trip. I got a chance to celebrate mine as well. So we're planning the trip for next year in February. And I was like, girl, I'm going to be ready. She said, honey, I've already started ordering for our trip next year. I'm not going to order till closer to the end of the year because, you know, I might lose a few pounds or whatever. But she mentioned, she said, so have you found your size on Temu? I said, yes, I know my size. And because their sizing may be a little different from the States. So I wear a medium in the States, medium pushing a large. So I'm more like a medium. But anyway, I am in between a medium and a large. And with Temu, I wanted the clothes to fit a certain way, and I chose a extra large. I ordered some things for Aruba. She's not going to Aruba. She was invited, but she wasn't able to go. She has another engagement. But I ordered 4 outfits. I have this one on, of course, and these 3 are for my trip. So girlfriends, when y'all see me snap my pictures in Aruba with my outfits, don't be like, oh, she had that on already. I wear my stuff more than one time anyway. So anyway, I picked these 3 bright color outfits. This is how they are packaged in the package. And of course, I'm going to go through and steam everything and try them on so you can see how they look on me and how I plan to wear them. But once you get those wrinkles out, honey, you're going to have you a cute little outfit. So join me at the entryway and let's try on these outfits. Of course, the first item I'm wearing, it was only $13.49 for this set. It comes in several different colors and it's perfect for traveling, very comfortable. Stuff is this 2-piece fitted shirt and swing skirt. It was only $15.49. It comes in 2 more colors. This is the red orange. There's a pretty lime green and yellow. Absolutely love it. You can wear it with the shoulders down or you can wear it with the shoulders up. You can dress this 2-piece set up or down. And of course, while I'm on vacation, I'm going to dress it down. But here is a dressed up look. I also picked up this cute little boho jumpsuit. Of course, I love a jumper, and you can add a cute little vest or jean jacket to it depending on the weather. Fits really comfortable. I love the fact that it has pockets. That is definitely a plus. Very comfortable. And of course, this is another outfit you can wear while shopping or to the airport. This 2-piece striped short set comes in, of course, the yellow, pink,
and lime green. Absolutely love it. It was only $15.89. I'm just rolling up the sleeves. Of course, I tied the front of the shirt in a tie just to give it a different look. You can also wear it with the French tuck in the front. You'll see me do something similar to that look in just a second, but I wanted to show you how it looks. It can definitely be a beach ready outfit or shopping outfit, depends on the type of accessories you wear. And of course, I have on some little simple sandals and of course the beach bag. And then I decided to dress it up. Since it was my anniversary, I wore my Miss to Mrs. handbag along with some cute yellow greenish pumps. Almost forgot to share these two wearable bath towels. They were $5.99 each. They come in several different colors. And of course, I chose a blue one and a pink one. This is definitely something you can use at home or on vacation.
All right, everyone, that is the end of my haul. It was so much fun trying on those outfits. I can't wait for my Aruba trip. I can't wait to get my home all the way completely organized. It takes a little time and it can be a little costly, but if you take advantage of the savings from Temu, you'll be able to get it done in an affordable manner. I'll leave the links to everything I shared so you can take advantage of everything I shared. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you, Temu, for sponsoring this video and gifting me these amazing products that I'm absolutely going to use in my home. I'll leave the link to the app so you can download the app and take advantage of that $100 coupon bundle, or you can search DKE2378 on the app to claim the coupon as well. So thank you all for watching. Thank you, Temu, again for sponsoring today's video. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. It really does help my channel. I'll see you in the next one.